Hi there, Emmanuel here, and today we're going to be talking about how to promote JVZoo products. Yes, so I'm gonna go through everything. I'm gonna go through how you actually go to JVZoo, how you find a decent product worth promoting, and then how you promote it now in sort of the 21st century, because things have changed a little bit. If you've been promoting it sort of the old way, that might be one of the reasons that you're not sort of doing as well with JVZoo products as you should be doing, because the kind of way people market has changed nowadays, so you need to kind of know that, And so I'm going to shoot into that, and hopefully, you can learn some stuff from this. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, then, and if it is your first time, just hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my stuff, and I'm constantly releasing stuff. Also tick on the bell icon so, you won't miss out if I put stuff out there. Alright, so this is the site. It's called JVZoo. It focuses on affiliate marketing. Yes, so it's got people on here have got products. It's mainly in the business opportunity niche, the make money online niche. It focuses a lot on softwares and tools that people in the make money online niche can use. So you can actually find a lot of products on here that people who are in the make money online niche can use, like the software and stuff, and you can actually find products on here that people in make money online niche can actually sell as well. So it's good. I mean, it's got some good stuff on there. It's not like ClickBank. ClickBank is another sort of affiliate marketing portal that has loads and loads of stuff on there. Here mainly focuses on the business opportunity and make money online. So here it is. Here's the site. You can actually join for free. So to join, just go here. It's called JVZoo.com. You go here and you start for free. Right? So I'm already a member. But I haven't promoted JVZoo products for a little while. But I used to promote them as well. So this is the page once you've opted in. This is the overview page. Now you can actually be an affiliate and sell other people's products, or when you get to that stage, maybe later on, you can actually be a seller and produce your own products and get other affiliates to sell your products. But I'm talking to you now personally as someone who's an affiliate and they want to sell other people's products. So you would come here, you would come to this tab here, affiliates, click on that, and you go here to find products. So I'll give it a bit of time. I mean, computers run a little bit slow. So let's give it a second. Here we go. So here it has all the products that you can sell, and there's loads of them. There's pages and pages and pages of the stuff, guys. So, you're bound to find something in your niche or in a niche that you're interested in that you want to sell. Here's the very first one here. So it tells you the amount that's already been sold. 38,000 of these have been sold. Yeah, so you know that people are buying it. There's a conversion rate of 2.79%, which is pretty good. Earning per click, EPC, is $1.39. So that's pretty good as well. And the average price for this product, so the front end product, is $49.73. One good thing about these types of products on JVZoo, they have upsells. So you have your front end product, and then they'll offer the prospects more products, and you earn on the funnel. You earn commissions on all of that. You can have a look here and have a look at the funnel here. You see here for the first one, they've sold 30,000. Their conversion 2.7, like I just said. It's $49. You'll get a 50% commission on that, and the refund rate is about 5%. So that's not too bad. That's not too high. Then the second product, the next one, the back end one, the next one they get offered is $37. You get 50% of that as well. Then they get offered another product. That one's selling at $20. You get 50% of that, and then another one at $30, and you get 50% of that. So, and you can see they convert as well. This one 3.9, 6.4. So you see they convert, So, you get someone to buy the initial product, and they tend to buy some of the other back-end products, so you make more commission. However, with this one here, you can see it launched in 2014. Now, we know with internet marketing, that's too old. You need something sort of newer. So what you can do here is click on this launch date, and then it will tell you the newer ones that are just launching or haven't launched yet, and ones that have launched and have got some statistics on it. Now, like these ones here, they haven't even launched yet. So I wouldn't go for any of those. I would wait till some figures come out. You don't want to be the first person, because you could go out now and start spending money on this product, trying to advertise it and get some commissions on it, and nobody likes it. I would wait. I would let other people do some of the testing. Let some other people show you that actually it does sell. You know, so what I done here, I scrolled down to the one where I found it had some figures. So the next available one is this one here, Smart Animation Pro. It was only just released. Today's the 28th. It's 2 days ago. It's already sold 250 copies. So you know it's selling. 10% conversion rates. Let's have a look at the funnel. So there's 4 products in the funnel. The first one, you get 60% commission on it. It's a bit lower price, $17.45. You get 60% commission on it. Then the one up from that, they've sold 100 of those at $37. You get 50% commission on it. The next one up, $27.49, you get 50% commission, and then the next one up, $67, you get 50% commission. You can see they're all selling. 250 of the first, 100 of the second, 25 and 10. And the conversion rates, 10%. That's really high, so that's really good. You know it's selling. Yeah, then the next one's 36%, 25%, 9%. And there's the earnings per click. $1.90, $13 per click on the second one, you know, so I can see already that this sells, you know. So if you were interested in selling this, what you would then do, the only thing with JVZoo is you can't just get an affiliate link and start promoting it like you can with something like ClickBank. You have to apply for, you have to request approval, and the product owner will give you approval if they like what they see or they like what they hear. Now, this is just so that people who haven't got any marketing experience don't take their products and start spamming it all over the place and potentially get them in trouble. So you got to request an approval. So you click on here and you go to the page. So this is running a bit slow today, guys, but here we go. Yeah. So here then you'd fill this in. You know, you'd say whatever you want. Maybe you say you got a list if you have got an email list, or you say how you're going to promote it, what traffic you're going to use. And then you tick these things, and then you request the approval. And usually most vendors will give you an approval. I mean, unless they're a big vendor and they only really work with certain people. But most of these ones will usually give you an approval, and it usually takes about 24 hours for you to get approved. Yes. So on this one, what's good about this one? This one's got a JV page. Yes, promotional tools. So I went over to it, which is this one here. So it tells you how much you can earn per visitor. It's like some sort of animation thing that you can use for your YouTube videos and stuff like that, or just probably for your sites. So it's got all this stuff here, and then there's got the promotional stuff here. Swipe emails. If you do have an email list, you can use one of their swipe emails, so you don't have to worry about writing your own emails. You can use, here's the emails that they let you use. You can send it off to your list. And potentially you put your link in if they approve you, and you'll get sales that way. You can also go and have a look at the page. Let's have a look here. If you have a look here at the top here, it says view sales page. You can click on that. I've already done that, and this is the sales page itself. So go and have a look at the page before you start promoting something. I would always have a look at the page. I'd always read it. Maybe even buy it. I mean, I tend to buy, if I'm going to promote something, I'd like to buy it. I want to see how it works, so I know what I'm talking about if anyone asks me any questions. So this is the sales page. You can go through, you know, I would go through that before I am happy to sell it. And then that's it, really. You know the commissions. You would pick a product that you think works and is converting, and then you'd go out there and you'd sell it. Now, what most people do when they're selling these JVZoo products, they usually have an email list, and they email it to their list, and they get sales that way. You know, depending on how long you've been marketing. If you've got a big email list, then you just send it out to your email list, and hopefully you'll get some sales that way. But if you're a newbie marketer and you don't have an email list, then most people buy traffic. They buy it from things like Bing, maybe Google ads, or maybe they do YouTube ads, to send it to it. Now, what I was talking about, the old dated marketing, this is what a lot of people do. They get traffic wherever, like we just said, wherever you're getting your traffic from, you need to get traffic. Usually it's paid traffic, but you can do it for free as well. Just be mindful that takes a bit of time, free marketing, like you're going to have to do YouTube videos or build a Facebook presence or whatever it is. So usually now, old school marketing, they take that traffic and they send it to an opt-in page, a squeeze page where you leave your name and email address, the person that comes there. Then, after the person gives you their email address, they send them straight to the offer. They send them straight to this page, usually. Straight away. So the person's just put an email address in, and now they're on a sales page. And then you're hoping that they can then go from this sales page and order straight away, so they don't know you. They're just kind of They saw your ad on Facebook, say, and then they ended up on a landing page, and now they're on a sales page here, and now they're expected to buy. They don't know nothing about you. They don't really, that sales video, that sales page here has to be very, very strong. And you will get some sales that way, don't get me wrong, but the conversion rates won't be high. They just won't be high. And then you hope they go to the order page and then the thank you page, and there you go, you're paid, and thank you very much. Off to the next one, That's old school marketing, guys. This is why promoting JVZoo products that way, you will get some sales, but your conversion rates will be low, and you're going to have to spend a lot of money in advertising in order to get any sort of decent returns, and it's just a harder way to do it. This is the newer way to do it. You put something in between the sales page, the squeeze page, and the offer, what we call in a bridge page here. So you're still same traffic, Facebook, AdWords, whatever, Instagram, YouTube, however you want to get the traffic. You send it to the same opt-in page where you ask for the person's email address. Now you send them to something in the middle. It's called the bridge page. And even this is still a little outdated, because the way I'm going to teach you to market, or I'm going to introduce you to, is where this bridge page is a lot more than just one page. Because when you do have one bridge page, even if it's a really good bridge page, not everybody buys initially. We know that people don't buy on the first time. Usually they've got to see an offer 5 to 6 times. So they'll go to this affiliate offer. Maybe they'll see it. Maybe they'll think, okay, kind of all right. This is now that you've got their email address, you start to email people and say, look, go back and have a look. Go back and, and give them more benefits, give them more. But what tends to happen now, you send them from this email back to this bridge page, or back to the affiliate offer. And back to the affiliate offer, and back to the affiliate. So eventually, if somebody has seen the affiliate offer 10 times and they haven't bought, there's no reason they're going to buy on the 11th time. What is better marketing is sending them from the email to the bridge page, but have different bridge pages. And the person that's my mentor taught me about something he calls the value series. So instead of just one bridge page, you put a series of bridge pages, so that it doesn't get stale. And so that the person sees variation, and then eventually, because you've shown them so many of these kind of bridge videos or bridge pages, eventually they'll say, I'll at least give it a look. And the conversion rates on this are like 3 to 5% compared to this, which is like 0.5% to 1%. So this makes a lot more sense. And this makes more sense when you add something in the middle here we call in a value series, So, I hope that helped a little bit. I hope, that you understood that how to go to JVZoo and get a decent product, and then secondly, how to market it, how to promote it properly, not just sending traffic straight to this squeeze page and straight to the offer, Put in at least a bridge page in the middle, and ideally building up what we call a value series, So listen, I hope you got some value from that. I hope that helped you. If you do want to learn what I mean by a value series and how I learned it, how my mentor taught me about a value series, which actually now helps me to sell affiliate marketing products, because, you can build more of a connection. You build more of what we call a know, like, and trust. And that's where people are then willing to take a chance and actually buy the affiliate offer. So if you do want to learn exactly, how I learned to do this, how I was taught to do this, and this is really the effective way to market, to market affiliate products. This is the effective way to do it. This is the actual way that most of the top gurus and that do it. If you want to learn how to do that, then there'll be a video. I'm giving away a free video here. You just have to click on this link below and go and watch the video, and you'll learn some absolute gems from the video, if nothing else. And that's what's actually taught me how to do this stuff properly, and it will help you as well. Anyway, listen, either way, I do hope you got some value from this. If you did, then please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it if you think with anyone else that you think might get some value from it as well. If you do have questions, any comments at all, then please just leave it in the comments box below. Alright, once again, thanks for listening. Till next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.